One of the things that I wanted to do that I thought was really important was giving everybody, including the executive producer
and co-creator,
an opportunity to say what your favorite moments in the last 13 years of being here. It has to be something we can actually show our audience at home.
My favorite moment, I think, is when you are in your office with Emma doing her nails, or helping her do her nails.
Emma Marie Rose, you're next. Hello there. How may I assist you, young lady?
I want the pink paint all of them because
You want me to paint them for you? I can probably do that. Do you have paint? Oh, look at you go. You are ready for Grandpa. I like it. Okay. FM3 Panther Pink Moulin Rouge. This is Minnie Mouse paint. Okay. Oh, goodness, those are little fingers. Now, I can paint a car. You'd think if Grandpa could paint a car, he probably could paint a fingernail. Let's give it a shot. I used to paint model cars when I was a little boy. I built one called the school bus, and it was a school bus, but it had two Hemis in it. Two 426 Hemis that were blown with 671 blowers. They ran nitromethane.
and methane.
Very good. See? Well, those are little tiny fingers.
Oh, so pretty.
Don't touch it, Mommy.
Don't touch it.
Sorry. Yeah, you don't get a lot of opportunities to hang out with the grandkids, so when you do, you...
Hey, Mommy.
Good job. High five.
Panther pink.
Any other favorite moments?
Yes.
Okay.
My favorite moment, this is a cold open that happened way back when, but it's the one where you and Josh are running around with Nerf guns. And you yell yippee-ki-yay and shoot Darren in the face with a Nerf gun. He comes after you and you just take off.
Yeah, game over. Yippee-ki-yay, mother.
Oh, Mark.
Yeah, I gotta admit, that was fun.
That was hilarious.
How about sentimental moments? Something that really means something to you. Something that maybe you worked hard on. You were there in the beginning. We had no equipment. We built a show out of it. Give me something off the top of your head.
The cold open for the pilot.
The original theatrical
Yep, the
trailer?
real theatrical one. It was black and white. It was like this horror film throwback thing. And it took months. It was months of shooting. We would scout graveyards. That was so much work. And then it never aired. So we should show it, you know?
2.5 minutes long.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody wants to sit through 2.5 minutes.
We do what we want. This is episode 200.
Well,
Come
I
on.
do what I want, and then you just kind of ride on my coattails and take credit for it.
I co-do what I want.